Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Five Ens Lodge. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Five Ens Lodge is offering accommodations in Keyodhoo. The property has a shared kitchen, a shared lounge and organizing tours for guests. At the guest house, rooms are equipped with a closet. Five Ens Lodge provides certain rooms that include city views, and each room has a private bathroom with a shower. Guest rooms at the accommodation have air conditioning and a desk. A continental, Italian or American breakfast is available daily at the property. Guests at Five Ens Lodge will be able to enjoy activities in and around Keyodhoo, like cycling. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.